Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can import reviews on your Shopify store. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now logged into my Shopify account. We are in the admin panel. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go here to settings on the left side of your screen. Once you click on settings, go down until you find apps and sales channel. Go ahead and click on it, and then you will find a list that includes all of your installed applications. And here in the top, you will find develop apps and Shopify App Store. Go ahead and click on Shopify App Store. And then, for example, we're going to choose the reviews of AliExpress. So we're going to type Ali reviews. As you type it, hit enter, and then you will find a few results. So my favorite one is this one, which is Ali reviews app. Go ahead and click on it. Make sure the developer is Zexu. As you can see, guys, the rating is very good. It's 4.5. So go ahead and click on install in order to install the application on your store. Now go ahead and click on install app at the top. And now the application is installing on our store. Right now, you can either choose the basic plan, which is free, or the premium plan, which is $10 a month. So we're going to choose the free one. Click on sign up for free. And you can choose to start tutorial or exit it. And now you're good to go. So this is guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.